In number 31, we're going to practice one of our word problems. This is car depreciation. Remember, this does not involve interest calculations, so we are not using either of our compound interest formulas. Instead, we're going to use our basic equation, y equals a times b to the x, where when we realize this is depreciation, we're going to create a decay factor of b, where b is 1 minus the interest rate, and we'll work from there. Now remember, a is your initial value, so the car was initially purchased for $24,900. Our interest rate is 10%. 10%, remember, is the same as 10 per 100, which is the same as moving the decimal place over 2 to the left, or 0.10. When we put it in the formula, we'll get 0.10 here. And then if you're writing out the model, you'll put an x there. Now, there's our exponential decay model. And the question that they're asking us is, after how many years will the car be worth half its purchase price? Well, first of all, let's figure out what half its purchase price is. That would be a y value that is half of $24,900, or $12,450. Now, there's two ways to do this problem. One, you could put this function in y1 in your calculator, and then just look up your x and y values until you find a y value of 12,450. Now, of course, it's unlikely that it would be exact. Because this is depreciating, you want to go to the lower value in order to surpass 12,450. In this case, that occurs at 7 years. Now, if you want the answer to be more exact than 7 years, this is less than 12,450, then what you could do is you could plug this number into y2, you would reset your window, and then you could look to see where these two graphically intersect, and use that to find out that x is equal to, in this case, 6.58 years.